welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting frontiers of generative AI. We are talking about video-to-video generation. This technology allows us to completely transform the visual style of existing footage while preserving its original motion and structure. So, what exactly is video-to-video, often abbreviated as ViToVid? It is a process where you start with a source video, like a clip you filmed on your phone, and feed it into an AI model. By adding a text prompt or a reference image, the AI generates a brand new video. It keeps the movement of your original clip, but re-renders every pixel in a completely new aesthetic. Let's look under the hood. There are two main components making this work. First is structure guidance. The AI looks at the edges and depth of your video to understand the shape of objects. Second is temporal consistency. This is crucial. The AI uses optical flow to track how pixels move over time, ensuring that the new style doesn't flicker or jitter uncontrollably from frame to frame. The most popular use case is style transfer. This is where you take realistic footage and turn it into something artistic. You can transform a dancer into a 2D anime character, make a car look like it is made of clay, or turn a city street into a cyberpunk drawing. The possibilities are endless. It is not just about changing the whole style. You can also perform targeted edits. With inpainting, you can select a specific object, like a dog, and turn it into a tiger without touching the background. With outpainting, you can expand the borders of your video, turning a vertical phone clip into a widescreen cinematic shot by letting the AI imagine what exists outside the frame. If you want to try this yourself, there are several powerful tools available. Runway Gen-1 is a cloud-based leader in this space. Kyber is fantastic for music visualization. For those with powerful computers, stable diffusion tools like Deforum and AnimateDiff offer incredible control. There are also mobile apps like LensGo for quick social media edits. However, the technology isn't perfect yet. The biggest challenge is temporal flicker, where the style changes rapidly between frames, creating a strobing effect. We also see morphing, where objects randomly change shape. Additionally, rendering high-quality video is very computationally expensive and takes a lot of time compared to generating still images. Despite the challenges, people are already using this creatively. Filmmakers use it for pre-visualization to mock up scenes cheaply. Social media creators are making viral trends. Fashion brands are testing virtual fabrics on models, and musicians are creating full animated music videos on a budget. To get the best results, remember, garbage in, garbage out. Use footage with high contrast lighting so the AI can see the edges clearly. Keep your camera steady or use a tripod. Ensure your background is clean to avoid artifacts, and always use very specific text prompts to guide the style exactly where you want it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.